Alright guys, this is Ashwin here. In this video we are going to see how to perform edge detection using OpenCV. So currently I am using a Visual Studio Code and I am going to use this test.jpg as an input image, and we can start coding now. So we can visualize the result step by step as we are going through the project. First, let's import the main module, that is import CV2. So if you want to install this module, means install module using pip install OpenCV Python. So using this command you can install the module, and after that you can import it. So after importing we will read the image. So that will be image equals cv2 dot imRead, that is image read. We will pass the image, so that is test.jpg. Okay, now let's show the image so we can able to see in a separate window. So that will be cv2 dot imShow, some title, maybe we can call it as image, and pass the image variable, and cv2 dot wait key of 0. So wait key of 0 represents it will show the window infinitely until you press a key. So it will just wait until you press any key in your keyboard. So it will be very helpful, and after that we can destroy all the windows. So for that, cv2 dot destroy all windows. So if any windows are there, means at the end of the program it will just destroy them all. So this is done. Display the image. Okay, everything is good to go. Let's run this. So it's pretty big image. I think we have to resize the image, so it will be easier for us to see. Click on it. So when I press the space bar, it will automatically close it. So here I'll just resize it. So image equals cv2 dot resize of, pass the variable and set the width and height. So that will be 300 comma 300. Maybe let's run this once to check whether it is okay. Now you can see the image, right? So it's very small, and we can clearly see the whole context. So this is the original image for us. Now press any key to close this. So this is our original image. Now after this we will just convert the original image into grayscale. So convert to grayscale, so it will be easier for us to do the edge detection. So for that I will use image gray equals cv2 dot convert color. Now pass the image. Now cv2 dot color underscore. So when you are reading the image, it will use BGR format. So BGR to gray. So we are just converting from BGR to grayscale. So this will display the grayscale, and after that we are going to blur the image for better edge detection. So blur the image for better detection. So blur image equals cv2 dot Gaussian blur. So image underscore gray, kernel size, that will be 3,3, and after that sigma x, that will be 0. So let's see the image, like let's see the blurred image. Just copy this, paste this, display the blur image. This will be blur image. Okay, that's done. Let's run this once to check the intermediate results. Now this is our original image. Now this is the grayscale image, and we blurred it also. So any edges, like any sharp points will be blurred and it will be smoothed, and the image will be in a smooth format, so it will be very helpful for edge detection. Now again plus any key. Now everything is closed. Now we will perform the edge detection. First I am going to go for Canny edge detection. Canny edge detection. So here I will get the edges equals cv2 dot Canny of, so first parameter is image, that is blur image, and second one is threshold 1. So this is the first threshold, that will be 100, and second threshold will be 200, and that's done. Now let's display the image again. So display the Canny edges image, whatever. So edges, we will just pass it, and here we will again run this once, or we can also complete the Laplacian edge detection. So just copy this, paste it here. We can have this as a Canny, so it will be easier to identify. Now here Laplacian, and this format also will be changing. Laplacian of the blurred image, blur image, comma cv2 dot cv underscore 64f. Okay, so this is Laplacian, but with small l. So we will just take it as a variable, copy this, paste this, just say Canny image, and this will be Laplacian. Okay, that's done. I think everything is good to go. Let's run this once to check all the outputs. Run this. So now this is the original image. So this is the grayscale and blurred image. So this is the Canny edge detection, and this is Laplacian edge detection. This is our last run. I will also change the names of the titles. So this is the original image, this is the blurred image, this is the Canny edge detection, and this is Laplacian edge detection. So you can clearly see in the Laplacian we can also see some of the textures, but in Canny we didn't see that much. So this is the comparison of all the images. So this is Canny and edge, this is blurred, and this is the original one. So this is the whole format we are having. So you can see the differences, right? So it didn't get the textures in Canny edge detection, but it also got some textures here, including the patterns in the fingers. And that's it, guys. This is how you can do edge detection using OpenCV. There is other edge detection like Sobel X, Sobel Y, like that. There are many edge detection modules you can use. all the modules are varies based on the filters and the applications. You just have to explore and use it. So I just showed you a common edge detection function that is used for a variety of applications. And that's it guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and I'll see you guys in the next video.